Have you ever wondered what causes that booming voice of thunder after a flash of lightning? It's a fascinating show of nature. When lightning strikes, it superheats the air around it to a staggering 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. This sudden heat causes the air to expand explosively and then cools rapidly, creating a shockwave that travels through the atmosphere. Imagine it as a giant cosmic whip cracking through the sky. The rumble you hear is actually the sound of that shockwave racing towards you. Depending on how far away the lightning was, the sound can come in loud claps or deep rumbles. So next time you hear thunder, remember, you're listening to the aftermath of a spectacular electrical display. Did you know that you can estimate how far away the storm is by counting the seconds between the flash and the sound? Every 5 seconds equals about a mile.